Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of introduction to ChatGPT series, and in this video I'm going to teach you ChatGPT's ability to store and retrieve information. Basically in this video we will show how ChatGPT can store and retrieve information effectively. We will start by providing context about Numan, Fahim and Hassan's favorite color and then demonstrate how ChatGPT can answer questions and interact with the data. It doesn't have personal preferences or memory like humans, but still this ability is valuable when applied to more complex user data and web applications. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I will write a prompt here like Fahim likes the color blue, Numan likes the color red, and Hassan likes the color yellow. Remember this. Let me press space here and I will press enter, and you can see that it is telling me that certainly I have noted that information. Fahim likes this color, Numan likes this color, and Hassan likes this color. If you have any more details or questions, feel free to ask. So this looks easy, but this is not an easy task, but still its algorithm have saved the information about color. It's not about saving a color, you can store different type of information, but this is just a demo that how we are saving information in ChatGPT's memory. Now the next prompt I'm going to write here is what color does Numan likes. So you can see that Numan likes the color red. Obviously we have already told him that Numan like the color red, so you can see that it can save information about a specific object. This is very useful. For example, if you have a company and that company contains some information, that their website, their number of employees, or any type of information, it means that ChatGPT can store that information, and later because that information will be stored in ChatGPT memory and we can save that information. For example, if I use ChatGPT regularly to write emails, what I can do, I can store my personal name in and my company name in ChatGPT memory, that my name is this and my company name is this. So whenever you will write emails to other companies, that will not do placeholder in the place of your name, it will directly write the name that you will store in its memory. So obviously this is only one case, but now it's up to you that how you can use this feature. So now let me type here another prompt. I will write here, give me list of colors that people likes in the form of table. Let me press enter. Okay, you can see that it have provide me that same information in the form of table. Let me type here, provide me the info in a beautiful table, not like that you above provided me. Let me press enter. Okay, still it is trying to give me that, but obviously we are okay with that. So you can see that now it is providing me the same information in the form of table. So friends, this was the ChatGPT memories feature. Obviously when you will use this in your daily to-dos, you will find this very valuable. I hope this video will find you well, and this video will help you a lot to improve your productivity to use ChatGPT. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.